For the banded strict press, we are obviously going to need a lighter weight resistance band. Now, the resistance is totally up to you. There is a couple ways that we can do it to make sure that we are getting enough resistance, even if you don't have a heavy enough band. So the main way that we're going to look at this is we're going to step inside of our band. We're going to curl it up to our shoulders in an overhand grip, thumb underneath to make sure that it's hooked in. And that band is going to be outside of our arms, outside of those elbows, okay? And with abs nice and tight, you want to make sure that your ribs stay tied to your pelvis. So that means that we're not getting into an arch as we press. We're going to stay up nice and straight, press up to the sky, making sure that that band stays on the outside of the elbow the whole time, okay? If you don't feel like you can get enough resistance with the band that you have, another way that you can do it is you can just tip it back behind your body, grab onto the band like so to give yourself some good resistance, and then we'll just be pressing single arm, okay? You just want to make sure that you're still making sure that you're not leaning off to the side, arching the back. You're going to take the spine and make sure it's nice and straight. Press straight up to the sky. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the banded strict press. If you're curious about other movements, go ahead and check out my page, or if you have specific questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks.